Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Forest Dunes Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, beachfront, parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Forest Dunes Resort is located on the sandy shores of Myrtle Beach. Guests can splash around in one of the 3 resort-style pools, or relax on the lazy river water ride. A seasonal restaurant is provided on-site for guests needing a bite to eat. Complimentary Wi-Fi is provided for all guests. The property is around 2.7 miles from Broadway at the beach. Guests can enjoy ocean views from their private balcony. Each room comes with a kitchen and furnished living area. The Market Common is 6.8 miles from the accommodations. The nearest airport is Myrtle Beach International Airport, 6.2 miles from Forest Dunes Resort. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.